Well, good morning. We're at Limehouse Marina in London. We've got an owner assist delivery to do today, barge move. We are coming out of Limehouse at 10 o'clock this morning, heading down towards the Thames barrier on the last of the ebb tide, turning there, and then going up through central London, heading towards Brentford Lock, the Thames Lock, and ended up there tonight. We've got a wonderful, good weather day today. We're very fortunate. Very light westerly wind, which is going to be okay. Sunshine, and it's very much a little weather pattern or a little weather opportunity between lots of wind. So we're looking forward to it, and it's going to be very exciting, a narrowboat on the big wide Thames. Here goes one of the Thames Clipper Uber boats, very quick. Should be fun.
That's a retired boat down to West Belfast.
Tide's with us now. We're just coming past the London Eye, and we've got light 10 knots of wind against us, so it's really good. Been a fantastic trip so far. We've been down through the barrage, and we're just coming up to the House of Parliament. Very busy here, lots of the Uber boats, the Clipper boats sticking around, the big ribs taking people for rides, so gotta have your wits around you. But the narrowboat's been brilliant in the wakes of the boats, it's really steady. It's a heavy boat, it's lovely, it's good fun. Lots to look at.
What a wonderful day we had on the Thames, with the narrowboat, viewing all the famous landmarks with my sons. Truly, memory forever. And we so much also enjoyed your company, both of you, and your expertise. And we want to thank you so much.